here we go. Back again. Sunset. Even better, we've noticed there's a flock of seagulls there. Which way we go, Mally? Let's get the seagulls. No, this way. Let's get the seagull. Daddy, get the seagull. Mally, chase the birds. Look, chase the birds. Malakai, look. Here we go. Perfect. It's great to see birds again. And it's the seagull. You know? It's a bit like the pigeon project. So pigeon's basically my favourite bird. And when I come to think of it, seagull's my second favourite. Now I love all these beautiful Scottish birds, but you know, there's something special about the pigeon and the seagull. It seems to have this ability to live where we live, which is a good thing. Right, come on then. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Hey, I'm going to chase the seagull, just walking as well. Mally, look at these ones. They're not even flying, they know how to do. Perfect. Right. I think we could walk along the beach right here, edge of the sea. Good feeling. Wow. Look how cold it is. Yeah, it's pretty cold. Oh well. Okay. Say high five, Mally. Say bye. Look at me. Water swim. No, we're not water swim. Doesn't mean to say bye at all, right? Ah, perfect. It's so beautiful now, yeah? So beautiful. They're coming back down to see the water there. Oh. Perfect. Great the way it comes in here. Now let's see. Have you chose your position correctly? Oh, it's deeper this time. Oh. Perfect. Ah yeah. Really start coming down swimming now, yeah? Perfect time of year for us to pop down for a little bit. Oh, he's off this way now. Oh. Nice one. Alright. Off to chase seagulls, better get him. Okay.